السلام علیکم، میرا نام زین العابدین ہے اور ایک بار پھر آپ کو خوش آمدید۔ اس بار IBA-JEST پاس پیپرز کی ایک سیریز اسٹارٹ کی ہے جس میں یہ نومبر 11 2018 کو جو ایک پیپر ہوا تھا IBA-JEST کے لیے، اس کا ایک پیپر آپ کے لیے لے کے حاضر ہوئے ہیں۔ تو یہ پہلا ہوگا، اس کے بعد 2 یا 3 اور جو پیپر ہوئے تھے وہ بھی انشاءاللہ آپ کے سامنے حاضر ہوں گے اور انشاءاللہ اس کی کمپلیٹلی وتھ ایکسپلینیشن آپ کو یہ سارے کوسچنس اس میں سالو کیے ہوں گے۔ یہ آپ کو IBA پیپرز میں ہیلپ کرے گا، یہ پیٹرن ان کا اس طرح سے ہوتا ہے اور آپ کو انشاءاللہ یہ ہیلپ کرے گا۔ سب سے پہلے وہ ہمیشہ ایک کمپریہنشن دیتے ہیں پوری، جس پہ وہ ایک پیسج ہوتا ہے اور پیسج کو آپ کو ریڈ کرنا پڑتا ہے۔ اس پیسج کو ریڈ کرنے کے بعد آپ جو ہے کہ کوسچنس کو سمجھ کے آنسرس دیتے ہیں۔ تو آئیے تو پیسج کو ہم ریڈ کرنے کی کوشش کرتے ہیں، اس کے بعد ہم کوسچنس پہ جائیں گے۔ Accidents are common these days, especially road accidents. There are some reasons why these accidents happen and cause injury or damage. Many people are killed or seriously injured in these accidents. 1 in 7 accidents is caused by sleepy drivers. There are the road safety rules that most people do not follow, and that is why accidents take place every day and everywhere. According to the latest information, all these who use the roads are responsible for accidents. They include pedestrians, truck and bus drivers. Motorcyclists drive very fast without using helmet to protect their heads. Some of them perform dangerous, difficult stunts. Children play in streets, and in this way, they invite dangers and often get hurt. Sometimes they risk their lives without playing dangerous sports. While playing dangerous sports. Some dirty little street urchins run after moving vehicles just for fun. Some naughty children run in front of moving vehicles. Some people cross busy roads just to gain a few split seconds. School children cross roads in a hurry from wrong side. All these foolish, hasty movements often cause accidents. However, there are some suitable measures through which bad accidents can be averted. Of them, safety factors are most important. They include certain plans. The media can give people road safety instructions. Local police can impart knowledge about traffic, safe travel, hazard-free driving and risk-free ride. In this regard, parents can play an important role in save their children's life by advising them not to endanger their lives on busy roads and in or at places exposed to danger. They must not follow their children to drive without a driving lesson. Moreover, they should adhere to follow the safety rules, traffic rules and safety driving. اب پیراگراف کو آپ نے سمجھ لیا تو آپ کو بہت ایزی ہوگا کہ پیراگراف کس چیز کے بارے میں ہے۔ تو the first paragraph of passage is mainly about the safety rules, road make travels, road accidents, safe travel, road traffic accidents. Option C. The second paragraph of the passage is mainly about truck drivers and pedestrians, bus drivers, fast driving children playing in street, major reasons why accidents occur. ऑब्वियसली मेजर रीजंस को ही उन्होंने किया है, या ये जो भी चीजें उसमें मेंशन थी ये सारी मतलब मेजर रीजंस हैं. The third paragraph of the passage is mainly about the traffic education and traffic rules, safety factors that can make roads safe for use, a number of strategies and media, safety instruction, school, local police stations and traffics. Option B, safety factors that can make road safe for use. The last fourth paragraph of the passage containing some pieces of advice for parents conveying is an digest sense of safety. Imperative, obligatory, instructive, essential. Option C, instructive. Safety of writing style of writing or mode of communication in which the above passage has been composed is expository, descriptive, narrative, analytical. Expository. उसके बाद उसी पैराग्राफ में से ही synonyms और antonyms दिए जाते हैं मोस्टली कि according to the situation, according to the line, according to the paragraph, according to the condition आपको synonym और antonym चूज करने होते हैं, ना कि उसका एग्जैक्ट उस वक्त का होता है. इस तरह से नहीं होता, एग्जैक्ट नहीं, लेकिन उस सिचुएशन में कौन सा ज्यादा सुइटेबल होगा वो आपको स्वीट करना पड़ता है. Many people are killed or seriously injured in these accidents. Critically. Option A, critically. 1 in 7 accidents is caused by sleepy drivers. Option C है इसका easily drowsy. According to the latest information, all those who use roads are responsible for accidents. The most recent. Some naughty children run in front of moving vehicles. Mischievous. Option A. However, there are some suitable measures through which bad accidents can be averted. Option D. Avoided. और एंटोनिम भी उसी पैराग्राफ से लिए गए हैं. तो मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट ड्राइव वेरी फास्ट विदाउट यूजिंग हेलमेट टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर हेड्स. ऑप्शन बी इसका आएगा विथ. Children play in the street and in this way they invite dangers. Option C, avert. Some people cross busy roads just to gain a few split seconds. Option C इसका होगा clear. Option A इसका होगा option A. All these hasty movements often cause accidents. अब यहाँ पे इस पे उन्होंने 2 दे दिया, लेकिन इसमें जो उन लोगों ने पिक भी किया था, और यहाँ पे मेरे हिसाब से भी जो मोस्ट सुइटेबल है वो होगा ऑप्शन बी, डेलिबरेटली. Most of them safety factors are most important. तो ऑप्शन ए इसका होगा लीस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. Use of preposition. 5 sentences are given below. In each sentence you have to put a correct preposition. Choose a correct preposition for every sentence and share its answer A, B, C or D against the corresponding number in the answer sheet. Now, many minerals were found the surface of earth. Option A, under the surface. A huge crowd is waiting the stadium. Option B, outside the stadium. The queen rolled the sofa. Under the sofa. We learned a lot the people of Pakistan this poem. Option A, about and in I guess. We learned a lot about the people of Pakistan in this poem. I had studied Japanese keen interest before I went to study Japan. With and in. I studied Japanese with keen interest before I went to study in Japan. अब इसका मैथ का सेक्शन है. मैथ का सेक्शन इसका थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी होता है, लेकिन हो जाता है अगर स्टूडेंट थोड़ा सा इसको ध्यान में रखे तो. और इसके मैथ सेक्शन को मैं अलग से भी आपको सॉल्व कराऊंगा जब पूरे सॉल्व भी करवाऊंगा आपको ये क्वेश्चंस. A drink contains 20% of mango juice and the rest is apple juice. What is the ratio of the mango juice to apple juice? बहुत इजी है. ऑप्शन ए 1:4. If 8 bags of chips cost $10.32, how much will you pay for 20 bags? Very easy. Option A, $25.80. Recipe serve 10 people and uses 3 cups of flour. If you want to make the recipe for 15 people, how many cups of flour should you use? Option 4.5 cups. Option D. What is the value of expression shown below when A equal to 36, B equal to 12 and C equal to option C, 24 का option C. The scale shows how much 4 apples weight. How much would 10 apples of the same size weight will be? Five kg. Option A. The shaded part of the diagram represents the space that are reserved. What percent of space is reserved? Now, इस पे तो आप इजीली निकाल सकते हैं इसको. 40% of parking is reserved. The area of a square is determined using formula S square. What is the length in inches of each side of the square? 13 inches. Option A. I remind you कि मैं इसको आपको दोबारा इसके लिए मुकम्मल एक सीरीज अलग से लेके आऊंगा इस पूरे कि आपको पूरा ये सॉल्व भी करवाऊंगा सारे. Circle is shown. Which statement about the circle is true? The diameter is 36 centimeter. Option B. The density of an object can be determined using the formula density. Mass equal to mass upon volume. The piece of wood shown has a mass of 16 gram. The density of the piece of wood is 0.1 gram per centimeter cube. Option A. A rectangular has a length of x cube minus x plus 2 and width x plus x squared. What is the area of rectangular when x equal to 2? 48 square units. General science section. Physics, chemistry, biology and computer. If a sound wave strikes a surface and returns back into first medium, the phenomena is called reflection of sound. Option D. The characteristic of sound by which we can differentiate between shrill and grave sound is option C is pitch. The to and fro movement of the pendulum is known as vibration. Option B. The heat from sun reaches to earth in the form of wave is called radiation. Option C. A plane mirror forms an image that is option B virtual and bright. All electromagnetic waves travel through a vacuum at the same speed. Option A. Which of the following correctly list electromagnetic waves in order from longest to shortest wavelength? Option D. Television, infrared, visible light, X-rays. That is clear now. Electric current is measured by ammeter. Voltmeter is always connected in circuit. In a circuit is parallel. Option A. Two masses attract each other. The force is called gravitational force. When calcium carbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, tasteless gas is produced. Carbon dioxide. Greenhouse effect is an environmental problem which is caused by the increasing amount of dash in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide. The reaction in which an acid and base react to form salt and water only is known as dash reaction. Option C, neutralization. Among the following, select one substance which complete this equation. Dash plus sodium hydroxide into sodium chloride plus water. Hydrochloric acid. The most abundant element found in a human body by weight is oxygen. Atom is concentrated in nucleus. Option C, in nucleus. Protons and neutrons are dash times heavier than electrons. Option B, 1836 times. What can be deduced from the symbolic He? An atom of helium contains 2 electrons. Option A. In a periodic table, elements are arranged according to increase in atomic number. The noble gases in periodic table are placed in group 8. Option A. Food chain always starts from producer. Option A. Option A, producer. Chemical formula of ozone gas is option B, O3. Recognize the part of eye which control the amount of light entering inside the eye. Pupil. Options B. Sphygmomanometer is the type of meter that is used to measure blood pressure. Which is the layer of atmospheric gas that absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays from sun? Ozone layer. Option B. The function of esophagus in digestive system is to pass the food to stomach. The movement of sugar from leaves to divert part of plant's body is termed as translocation. Option C. Which organ is made up of air carrying tubes and tiny space? Lungs. Respiration involves mechanical and biochemical process. Option D. and human and higher animals, or the exchange of cash is carried out by respiratory system. IT section. The extension of Word 2010 document is DOS. DOCS, sorry. The shortcut to print the document is Control P option. ये है obviously इसका. In MS Excel, if B3 IDs the address of a cell, then B is its column number. Option A. In MS Excel, VLOOKUP is lookup and reference function. Option D. In MS PowerPoint, we press dash key to start slideshow from current slide. Shift plus F5. Option A. Computer's performance is influenced by speed of the system clock, memory access time, bus width. All of these होगा ये. Option D. All of above. File management is responsibility of task manager. An operating system is application software. Web page can be created using HTML. Option D. The speed of CPU is measured in mH as similarly. Part 2. General knowledge and IQ. Third source of Islamic fiqh is Ijma. Magna Carta is a character of human rights. Charter of Human Rights. Option C. World Trade Organization was established in option C 1995. ECG is used for diagnosis of the alignment of option B heart. World Peace Day is celebrated on every year, 21 September every year. Qantas is the airline of country, Australia. Who becomes acting president in the absence of President of Pakistan? Chairman Senate. Option C. Who presented Lahore Resolution on 23rd March 1940 at Minto Park? Maulvi A.K. Fazl Haq. Option D. Namaz-e-Kusuf is offered at the time of solar eclipse. Jaysh Muslims fought in the Battle of Ghazwa 313. Part 3, Pedagogy and Assessment or Education. The level of school achievement can best be judged through students' learning achievement. Option C. Which institute or office is responsible for teacher education policy development in province of Sindh? Sindh Teacher Education Development Authority. Option C. SNE is an abbreviation of Schedule of New Expenditure. Under National Education Policy 1972, free education was recommended up to years. Curriculum development refers to the process of curriculum. Option D, designing, implementing and evaluating. In Millennium Development Goal MGD, or the goal 2 is related to universal primary education. The simplest skill in cognitive domain of Bloom's taxonomy is remembering. The highest level of cognitive domain is evaluation. Which article of the Constitution of Pakistan obligates the state to provide free and compulsory education to children of the age from 5 to 16 years? Article 25A, option B. National professional standards for teachers in Pakistan were developed to raise the quality of teachers. Among 10 standards, standard number 7 focus on option B, effective use of information communication technology. The word curriculum derived from Latin language. Ontology related to the nature of reality. The literal meaning of course is light. Textbook board were established in provinces of Pakistan in 1964. Teacher explores the level of understanding, interest and attention of the child through assessment. And an assessment used to identify difficulties in learning process is called diagnostic assessment. An assessment used to determine a person's ability in particular field of study is called aptitude test. It is the process of collecting, synthesizing, and interpreting information to aid in decision making. Okay. Assessment. The outline of content is called syllabus. Option C. 100 number question. Summative evaluation takes place at the end. So یہ تھا ہمارا ایک پہلا پارٹ. اس کے بعد نیکسٹ تو ہوں گے انشاءاللہ. اگر آپ کو یہ ویڈیو اچھا لگا ہو تو لائک کریں, شیئر کریں اور کمنٹ کرنا نہ بھولیے گا. اللہ حافظ. سبسکرائب کرنا بھی نہ بھولیے گا. اللہ حافظ. تھینک یو.